Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services main, IFS and GATE aerospace exam. The next topic in the subject is difference between Bernoulli's equation and momentum equation. Recently we solved one question for the difference for showing the difference between compressible flow and incompressible flow, and in that question Bernoulli's equation and momentum equation were used. Okay. So now we'll see what is the difference between Bernoulli equation and momentum equation. Why we cannot use um, one in place of other. So first, so starting from the first law of thermodynamics, first we will discuss Bernoulli equation. So first law of thermodynamics for the flow process is P1 specific volume and P1 V1, where V1 is a specific volume, plus E1 plus V1 square by 2 plus G Z1 plus Q is equal to W plus P2 V2 plus E2 plus V2 square by 2 plus GZ2. So this is the energy at location 1. This part, this part, this part, this part. And this is the heat added per unit mass. And this is the work done per unit mass, and this is the energy at location 2. So somewhere it represents energy equation. And if we take incompressible fluid, then this specific volume and this specific volume will be equal. So V1 will be equal to V2. If the temperature remains constant, then internal energy E1 and E2 will remain constant, or E1 will be equal to E2. If the level of the system is same at inlet and outlet, then Z1 will be equal to Z2. If there is no heat transfer, Q will be 0. If there is no work done, then W will be 0. Then this equation will become your Bernoulli's equation, or we can say P1 V1 plus V1 square by 2 is equal to P2 V2 plus capital V2 square by 2. So here this small V1 and small V2 are equal because the fluid is incompressible. Taking it as small v and taking V as 1 by rho, where rho is density, this V is your stress level. So it will be P1 by rho plus V1 square by 2 is equal to P2 by rho plus V2 square by 2. So which is your Bernoulli's equation that we have used. Okay. Or we can multiply G also here. It will be P1 by rho G, and it will be V1 square by 2G. So we can divide G also. P1 by rho G plus V1 square by 2G is equal to P2 by rho G plus V2 square by 2G. So it represents somewhere energy per unit mass. So this is related to energy. And first law of thermodynamics is all about energy. Total energy remains conserved. So that is the basic definition of first law of thermodynamics. So now momentum equation, for this is the for wave, or we can say a partition, okay, and or we can say it is piston, and at this location the pressure is P1 and density is rho1, velocity is v1, and A is the area of the shock wave or piston or something else or diaphragm, and here the conditions of the fluid are P2 rho 2 V2. So now this fluid is imparting energy to this wave, and this energy is transmitted to this fluid through this wave. Okay. So here the force acting on the wave or the or on the piston or diaphragm from the left hand side is P1 into A, that is pressure force, plus momentum force. This here the mass for it is rho A V1, and if we multiply it by V1 minus 0, then it is momentum per second. So that is the momentum force to mass per second into velocity is the mass. So this is the force due to velocity, and this is the force due to pressure. So and this here this force is transmitted to this fluid. So that is pressure transmitted is P2 into A, and the velocity transmitted is rho 2 A V2 into V2, same way. So it will be rho 2 v2 square a. So a will cancel out because area is same here and here. So we can see that the momentum equation is p1 plus rho 1 v1 square is equal to p2 plus rho 2 v2 square. Whereas the continuity equation is, sorry, the Bernoulli equation is p1 by rho plus v1 square by 2 is here is equal to p2 by rho plus v2 square by 2, or we can multiply rho also, then it will be p1 plus rho v1 square by 2 is equal to p2 plus rho v2 square by 2. Rho is constant, so here rho 1 v1 square is there, not by 2, and rho 1 is there, and rho 2 is there, and here the rho is there. Okay, here the rho is there. So this is the difference between Bernoulli's equation and the momentum equation.